Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day in the studio in Mumbai to teach you some yoga, to teach you some tips to help you get stronger, more flexible, but more importantly, more present. Today we are practicing a very fun class which we'll explore later on. We are working on balancing, stability, control, coordination, and I assure you that you will have a lot of fun. बहुत कुछ explore करने को मिलेगा. You'll understand a lot of things about the body. So without any further delay, let's begin our practice. Let's go back on the mat. Let's sit comfortably in our Sukhasana, ready to stand up to practice some asanas standing, to use all of this in our standing balancing postures and to check if the body now feels ready and stable and centered for us to attempt our balancing asanas. So let's stand up everyone on the mat comfortably. If you want, you can shake the legs out. Shake the legs out. Okay, breathe. Just take a moment to adjust and to check your standing posture. Very important. We not only talk about seated postures or the way the spine is, but we also talk about how is it that we are standing on the mat. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपका weight equally left or right foot पर हो. This or this should not happen. Okay, everything should be stacked. Stacking is very important for a good posture. So your neck, shoulder, hip, knees, and feet should all be in one line. If you feel you're someone having excessive lower back curve, or if you feel you're someone having excessive upper and middle back curve, all of these things cannot be fixed in one class, but it will take us constant work to come back to a nice neutral position where I'm standing upright and stacked. Okay, so the exercise that I showed you for the pelvic tilt was mainly for people having excessive lower back curve, which is very, very common because of constantly sitting down on our chairs and sofas. This tends to happen. Okay, so we have to make sure that you're really using your lower line of the stomach and you're pulling the lower abs in to fix this. For the shoulders also, you make sure that you breathe well, you breathe deeply so your lungs can expand, the shoulders can go up, back and down. So many things to take care of. As of now, to your best level, try to stand upright. Okay, weight equally placed, your center being in charge of the whole body. From there, let's watch the first posture, everyone. We are doing Vrikshasana tree pose. Keep watching. Keeping the left leg down, I will push the left leg down, pick up the right leg, hold the foot, place the sole of the foot on the inner thigh and you push the foot on the inner thigh. So remember, you're not just placing it because otherwise this will happen. You will pick up, you will push it. You will create opposition, you will create that lock position and you stay here. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगता है and something like this happens and you can't balance, no problem. You will just keep the foot down like this, floor supported. Okay, this also works. Let's try everyone. Let's do it once on the left, once on the right with me together. Left leg नीचे, right leg को hold करके you will place it on your left inner thigh this way. Lock the leg, hands to your heart center. You can choose to look at a point in front of you. एडवांस प्रैक्टिशनर्स आप अपने हाथों को ऊपर करके आपका स्पॉट चेंज कर सकते हैं, यानी कि आप ऊपर भी देख सकते हैं. दैट विल मेक द पोज चैलेंजिंग. स्टे एवरीवन, ब्रीथ, होल्ड. This is an excellent posture to build strength in your legs, in your stomach, to build concentration. All balancing poses in yoga will help you build a lot of concentration and focus. Okay, so your power, your capacity to focus, your capacity to stay attentive will increase. And everyone, slowly rest, relax, breathe, shake the legs out. We'll also do it on the other side, obviously. Let's go. Right leg down. You pick up the left leg, you place the foot on your inner thigh, hands to your heart center. Keep looking at a point in front. Your drishti here is very important. Where you look is very important. If you look everywhere, if you distract, this will happen. Okay? So here you're really trying to get all your attention to one point Ekagra. This is the state of mind that we're trying to be in. Ekagra, a concentrated mind. This will help you avoid all the chaos, the distractions from the external world, which also is a metaphor for our life. There's so much chaos. You want to just bring one pointed awareness so you can be calm, you can be centered, and you can find balance, not just in the pose, but in your life. And with that, we release. Rest, good job. That was your tree pose Vrikshasana. You can shake the legs out. You can walk around in the mat, on the mat to just get your breath back. And as you do that, I will now show you the second balancing posture, one leg balancing that I want you all to try. We will practice our one-legged chair, Ekapada Utkatasana. Okay. For this, you keep the left leg down. You place the right foot on your left thigh, not on the root, not as a Padmasana, but right above the knee, this way. And from there, you will just do like a regular squat. You know how we do a squat? This way. सेम थिंग बट विद वन लेग. तो एक बार मुझे ऑब्जर्व कर लीजिए. यू विल कीप योर राइट फुट ऑन योर लेफ्ट थाई अबव द नी and very gently keeping the back straight, looking forward, you will bend the knee and you slightly fold from the hip and you stay there. Now you will feel some hip stretch also in the right, and that's absolutely normal. Okay. If you feel this is too much for you, if it's not happening at all, आप धीरे से लेग को रख के थोड़ा सा ही नी को बेंड करेंगे and that will work. So you don't have to go all the way down here. If you feel you can only go till here, that is also okay, not a problem. Can we try? Let's do it on the left and on the right side, everyone. Let's keep the foot on the thigh, right above the knee. Hands to your heart center, and we gently start sitting. Think of sitting down on your chair. Keep your back straight, chest open, hold. Stay there. Find your balance, okay? Stay there. Deep breaths. This is your one-legged chair. You'll also need some strength in your leg to do this pose. And slowly coming up, relax, breathe, shake the legs out. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Let's practice one deep breath. Keeping the right leg down, we pick up the left leg, we place it on the thigh and gently you lower down. Back straight, look forward, stay there everyone. Deep breaths. Keep your point of focus there. Stay with me. Keep holding. And very slowly everyone, coming up. Good job. Again, take a minute, rest, relax. We are almost done with the practice. Few deep breaths. We have one more balancing posture, which is again a little challenging, but I will give you an easy variation. Again, try to look at me first. I'm demonstrating. एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए, then we'll do it together. We are now practicing Garudasana, eagle. Okay, you'll keep your left leg down. Watch. You'll wrap your right leg around the left leg this way. So you'll really try to place your thigh above the thigh as high as possible. As you do that, you will also bend your knee. You'll do like a mini squat. You'll get the hip down. Beginners, you can just stay here. Advanced practitioners, if you feel it's okay, you will wrap the foot further. You'll try to fold the foot this way so that your toes can touch your calf. Okay, watch this carefully. So if I do this, I'm getting my thigh on my thigh, touching my toes on my calf. Correct, this way, something like this. If this does not happen, you can just keep it here also. Okay, let's try. For the arms, you can maybe just keep it here in your prayer pose, or you could do the same thing as legs. You can bring your elbow above the elbow and you can wrap your hands this way. But this is optional. अगर आपसे ये नहीं होता है, no problem. आप simply हाथों को यहाँ रख सकते हैं. Let's try, everyone. Left leg down, right thigh above the left thigh, fold, bend your knee, very important. If possible, wrap your foot further. If possible, you get your arms in the same shape and we hold. Deep breaths in your Garudasana, eagle. And slowly everyone, release, rest. If you feel आपके calves या आपके quads या आपके feet में discomfort या हल्का सा pain हो रहा है, again, it's a good thing. It's your muscles working, so don't worry about it. Okay, let's try it on the other side. One deep breath. We pick up the left leg, left thigh above the right thigh. You fold the leg. Switch your arms also. This time, left elbow above the right elbow. And we stay. Keep holding. Try to balance. Deep breaths. And very slowly, everyone release, relax and rest. Let's take a minute. You can walk around. You can walk on your mat. Breathe. For the last part, make sure you're following Times Health Plus on Instagram, YouTube, so you're not missing out on all the great videos and reels we are posting for you guys every day, so you can practice off the mat also. I will now sign off. I will see you next class. Keep the spirit high, keep the energy high, keep a smile on your face, keep your posture upright, and I will see you next class. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.